Need to invoice multiple clients at once for the same recurring service? Batch invoicing saves you from sending dozens of individual emails. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Create a single invoice template for the service, e.g., monthly retainer, June. Instead of selecting one client, look for an option to select multiple clients. You can choose all the clients who receive this same invoice. FreshBooks will create individual, unique invoices for each client and send them all at once. You can still preview each one before the final send. My crucial pro tip: use this for memberships or subscription services. If you run a membership site or have clients on identical monthly plans, batch invoicing is your best friend. It turns an hour of work into a 2-minute task on the first of every month. Reclaim hours of administrative time with the click of a button. What scenario in your business is perfect for batch invoicing? For more guides on massive time savers, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.